Peppers?
Yeah. It says right here.
What does it say? Show me what it says.
2 peppers.
How do you know?
The first one.
Where?
Right here.
Show me. On the bottle.
Look, right here. Two peppers. 2 peppers.
Oh.
Yep. Why are they an apple on your phone?
That's the name of the company. Apple.
Who gave you that phone?
Somebody. Friend. Let's eat, guys.